Somebody just dropped off this Xbox One X right here, and boom, check this out. Fireball, broken HDMI port. Let's put this together and all right, I hooked it up here. Let's see if it powers on. Wow, surprisingly it powers on. That's amazing. What does the tester say here? We don't see anything and the screen is blank. So, there could be something wrong with the HDMI port as we saw. Let's take this thing apart and see. These older systems tend to be a little bit more stuck and they can get stripped easily, so I had to Dremel this one out. I got it out. I used this guy right here. Alright, I almost got it out here. Alright, that HDMI port is completely busted and the thermal paste is really crusty. We're gonna replace both. It's removed here. I see a few lifted pads. Yep, under the microscope here, they are lifted but not ripped, so we should be good to go here to put a new port on. Nice, I got this port installed here. Let's clean up that thermal paste, put it together and test. Alright, I put it together here enough just to test it. Let's see. It still powers on, that's a good sign. The tester says it's okay. Let's see if we're gonna get something on the screen here. Believe it or not, no, we don't have anything. We need a chip. On the microscope here, I checked over the physical properties of the HDMI. Everything looks okay. I checked over the filters as well. Everything is okay. The last thing to do here is to replace this TDP-158 chip. Let's do that. I have the brand new ones right here on this reel. I just installed a new chip here, looking fresh. All right, I put the bare minimum here just to test it. Let's see. It still powers on. That's a good sign. It's got the hard drive here. It's saying video 720p. I think it's gonna work. We got it. Nice. It was the chip and the HDMI port. We got it.